Hello friends, so today the problem that we are going to discuss is we need to delete a node from the linked list and the reference of that node which we need to delete is given to us. So this is the example that I've taken. This is a linked list in which this is a single linked list which is always pointing to the next node. There is no way we can move backwards in this list. So we are given the reference of this node that is having a value 3, and we need to delete this node from this linked list. And one more condition is given to us, that this node is not the last node of this linked list. This node is in between node of this linked list. So this is the class node that we have. It is having one integer, that is value, and the next pointer which is pointing to the next reference of the node. So for example, for this node the value is 1 and it is pointing to the node that is having value 2, so it is pointing to this. So this is the next pointer. So if you want to think about this problem, you can pause the video and think about it, and then you can resume it to know the solution. One hint I would like to give you is, don't think it like you need to delete this node. Think it some in some other way, right? Some other operation that you can do. Okay, now we will start solving this problem. So first of all, we will draw the linked list that will be the end result of this. So the end result will be, so first of all we will have node 1, then node 2, then this node will be deleted, right? So this will point to directly node 4. Node 4 will keep on pointing to 5 and 5 is pointing to 9. So this is the end result after deleting the node. So now we will need to see that what is the problem in deleting this node. The problem is, if you need to delete this node, then you need to move back to the previous node to delete this node, right? Because in the previous node you will update the next pointer of the previous node so that it will point to the next node of this current pointer. But since this is a singly linked list and you can only move ahead of this linked list, so you can't move to the previous pointer. So this is the problem you are having. So if we think this delete operation in terms of copy, for example, if we want to delete this node, if we copy the value of next node in this node, so if we copy 4 here, so it will be 4, right? And now we have the reference of this node, and from here we can get the reference of this node as well by using the next pointer. So we can reach to this node, and now we can from this node we can directly point to this node, right? And this node will be removed from the list. So this is how we need to approach it. Basically, one more time I will explain that how so you need to copy the next of this. So next of this will be 5 into the next of current. So you will have two pointers. One is the current pointer, this you can say the current pointer, and this you will have the next pointer. So you need to copy the current pointer dot next is equal to the next pointer dot next. So this will start directly pointing to this node, and you need to clear the value of the next pointer of this. This you should keep it as null so that this will no more be a link. So this is how, and this will start pointing to this. So let us see how we will write the code for this. First of all, we will revert the values. So we will say delete node, which will take the reference of node, something public void. And now we will see this we call as current node. So we'll see node, next node will be current node dot next. So this will be the next node. Now we need to copy the next node's value into the current node's value, right? We'll see current node dot value equal to the next node dot value. So now this 4 comes here, right? Now we need to point this pointer to 5, right? Because we need to remove this. This pointer should directly point to 5, right? So we'll see current node dot next should point to next node dot next. And now this is no more pointing here, this is directly pointing to this node. And now, as this was the link before, so we need to clear this link. So this should no more be the link. So we will say next node dot next is equal to null. So this is how we can solve this problem. If you like this problem, please click on like and share with the other people. Thank you so much.